We're here today to talk to you about how you can repair and revive your skin post-summer. As we're coming to the end of summer, it's time to up our skincare regime. Here at the clinic, we've noticed a few skin concerns from our clients. We have clients coming in post-summer from all their sunscreen and outdoor activities feeling really congested and oily, and we also have our other group of clients coming in with impaired barrier and sensitive skin. Here are our top clinic products that we recommend to resolve these issues. Our first recommendation is the Purity Detox Scrub. This is a multi-layered detoxification scrub. Through the use of salicylic, jojoba beads, date seeds, and poppy seeds, it exfoliates the skin, unclogs the pores, and delivers a revitalized skin. Our second recommendation is the Pure Enzyme Exfoliating Mask. Through the combination of fruit enzymes and lactic acids, it helps exfoliate the skin from the inside out, delivering more radiant, even tone texture. And for our clients that are feeling impaired and sensitive, we have our Remedy Oil. This is a mix of fatty, rich omega oils, antioxidants, and vitamin E. This delivers a really nice moisturizing, nurture, and protecting element to the skin. And finally, we recommend our Rescue Balm. Through the use of shea butter, it delivers a really rich moisturization to the skin that is not only going to help plump, but it'll help soothe fine lines and wrinkles and give a deep nourishment to your skin.